Hey, it's Kinley with Oaken Realty, and I'm excited to introduce you to 3451 Sawmill Crescent, Unit 512 in Vancouver. The stunning 2-bedroom and den is located in the popular River District community and has everything you need for modern, comfortable living. Come take a tour with me to see why this is the perfect place to call home. From the moment you step inside, you'll be captivated by its elegance and charm. Its open concept living and dining area creates a seamless flow for easy living and entertaining, while large windows flood the space with natural light. The kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances, sleek countertops, and ample storage space. Indulge in the spacious bedrooms, including a master bedroom, complete with an ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. The unit also features a den, in-suite laundry, air conditioning, private balcony, underground parking, and storage locker. Enjoy unparalleled living with cutting-edge amenities, including a 14,000 square feet clubhouse, complete with an indoor pool, basketball court, music room, guest suites, and more. Conveniently located within walking distance to Save on Foods, Starbucks, restaurants, bank, and trails. Commuting is a breeze with easy access to transit and major highways that connect you to key cities like Burnaby, Richmond, and New Westminster. Feel free to contact me to arrange a private tour of this property.